Okay, this is a quick lesson in how to download from the YouTube library, the audio library. Go to YouTube, go to your videos. On the left side, scroll down to audio library. Click on that. Okay, what you see here is a list of music. Hip hop is the genre that's showing up. If I scroll down a little bit, I would see some dance music. Okay, I'm going to go back to the top, sorted by genre. Let's find some rock. Okay, so you can play these tunes, and the ones that you like, over on the right side, you can see where it turns into a download lettering. Okay, so that's where you're going to click to download this song called Sharp. As you can see on my bottom left, is being downloaded. If we go to my computer, we'll go to the download folder, and there she is, Sharp. Okay, and I can play it from my computer now. So let's recap. Select one of the songs on the right, click on the download button, and send it to your download file on your computer. That's how it's done, folks. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to subscribe. I appreciate it.